everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Welcome to my March OWLCRATE unboxing, and this is going to be the last unboxing for a while from OWLCRATE because the April one I did not get and the May one I might not get for the reasons that I will tell you in a second. So let's get to it, shall we? Yeah. Okay guys, so this is the March OWLCRATE box. This is an anniversary box. Apparently, usually they do like these special anniversary boxes, but this year they didn't do, and I'm actually surprised this arrived because with everything going on in this world at the moment, this was the only box that I managed to get. FairyLoot hasn't even sent them yet, and they've only just shipped out my Chain of Gold collector's box from FairyLoot. So again, with everything going on, I'm actually surprised that this arrived and everything shipped out with no problems, because this came with this normal time, the normal shipping rate. I came in the beginning of the April, about the 4th of April, literally always the same time. But I won't be receiving the next 2 months of OWLCRATE because I found out that April and May are going to be books that are in FairyLoot's upcoming boxes, so I'm going to be skipping them, and hopefully June will actually have a book that is not in FairyLoot. It's a very shame, but for me to have 2 books of the same thing is not worth it because I will just not read them and I'll just sit in my library and just not use. So long story short, let's get into the unboxing of this cute little blue box. So opening it, it looks really cute. As usual, actually always tells you a guide to unboxing. We have a lot of white tissue. I don't know what you call this. White tissue? God knows. It's called white mess. So I'm actually going to be very careful. I should actually reuse this and use them for my packages when I have my PAPERIE packages, but I never do. So this is the spoiler card, and it is the music of the night. So it's really, really cute. So I really like the graphic. Again, it looks like a kingdom of some sort. What is it with me and kingdoms? I don't know. But basically, there's a lot of things in here. Okay, I'm going to keep the spoiler card next to me just in case I don't understand where they're from and what and whatnot. But I'm going to pick up the first thing that I've got here, and it's a box. And at the back, it says it's an OWLCRATE wireless speaker. And I just think this is just adorable, especially with it being isolation at the moment. I just bought a wireless speaker, so I'm not going to use it, but I just think it's a really good idea. So you have what looks like a cord and the USB, and let's just see what it looks like. Oh my god, it's so cute! It's actually got the OWLCRATE logo on the front. Isn't that just so adorable? That alone is about, I would say, about 10 euros at least. So I think that is just adorable. Oh my god. So that is something I would definitely use. So with these boxes, you never know if they're going to be like little bits and bobs that you might not actually use in your entire life and just kind of have them just in a box not being used. But this is actually really cute. So kudos to OWLCRATE for coming up with things that you actually will use, because for me, I just think they're rubbish. It's kind of a waste of time getting boxes like this. But this I actually do like, so yay me. And I think this is actually by OWLCRATE. Yeah, it's just do for listen to audiobooks and stuff like that, so fantastic. Next, I'm seeing a candle, and they actually mentioned that we were going to get one of the candles from Flick the Wick. So that's a company called Flick the Wick, and this is called Goblin. So it's winter berries, peach, yuzu, pear, and fresh air, and it's OWLCRATE exclusive. This reminds me of something. This is reminding me of something back in England, but I can't grasp what it is. I'm just getting a whiff of England in something, either somewhere I used to go in England. Oh, that's making me really sad in some way, but I can't figure out what it is. But it smells amazing, and this is, let me just look on the spoiler card. Let's look for Flick the Wick. I wonder if there's any more, the different ones. Okay, so inspired by Winter Song, Flick the Wind's candle smells divine and leaves us dreaming of a music-filled Copland Grove at twilight. So I'm guessing everyone gets the same candle, which is cute. Next, we got more socks, guys. So you can never have enough socks because mine go missing all the time. But it's true. So OWLCRATE loves you. We've got white socks with the black owl, and it says happy reading, thanks for being awesome. That is just so adorable. So we have really cute white socks. I just think they're just so handy and useful. Like, these things I would definitely use and they won't stay in here. So that's that. Ooh, we have Bella's Lullaby Mint Chocolate Chip Lip Scrub. It's a bit waxy, so I'm guessing it's the oils that are in here. So this is really cute. Okay, whether you'd prefer to snack sparkly piano playing vampires or you are Team Hunky werewolves like Bella's Lullaby Lip Scrub created by Fairytale Bath Company will leave your lips soft and totally kissable. Kissable. Oh, I'm not going to open this right now because it's literally full of oil and the oil is kind of evaporating in it. But yeah, I can smell it from here. And it smells like a pretty much like a mint chocolate chip cookie. It smells amazing. So that is really cute. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. There we go. So it's really packaged really well as well. So that's really nice. But I can feel the oils on my fingers, which is quite annoying. Okay. We have something in, it looks like a portrait of some kind. Okay, let's get this out. I don't think I probably use any of these unless I put them in the study once the study is ready, but we will see. So this is the Phantom of the Opera. Oh, this is cute. This is beautiful. And I like how there's not a lot of color being used. So it's basically like blues, blacks, and pinks. But that is beautiful. Like, I would probably actually frame this because it's just so cute and gorgeous. And I've actually never watched or read Phantom of the Opera, so I'm behind on that one. But it looks really nice. And who's this made by? Because is there a signature? No, there is a signature. And Lambelut? I'm not sure if I'm messing that up and I feel so bad if I am. So 1 second, let me try and find where it's written down because I just feel so bad. Let's see. No. Here we go. So with the theme like Music of the Night, we had to include an item for fans of the Phantom of the Opera. We hope you enjoy this poster print illustrated by Anne Lambelut. I'm hoping I'm saying your surname right because I know how many times people like mess up mine. So I always feel bad if someone messes up, if I mess up someone else's. So I really try my hardest not to mess up anyone else's surname. But yeah, that's really cute. So I'm gonna like that. Really, really good. Okay, we have a pin, which I'm guessing goes with the theme of the book, and it is basically a tree with music. There are 2 different colored themes, and there's like the music notes. It's really cute. Like, it's really pretty, and it's quite big as well, and you get 2 little stopper things. I'm going to be putting these up once I move into the study because that's something I might use, but not now. We have a cute little packet here. I'm gonna see what it is because it's quite small. Oh, I think they're probably like some kind of stickers because there's a lot of these little things. Really pretty design too. It's like of an owl with books, and it says Ex Libris. Ooh. I'm gonna read what it's supposed to be because I'm not sure. Oh, make your book's end pages a touch more magical with this set of Ex Libris book plates. They're book plates. Okay. Designed by Veresknastia. Nazia underscore art. I'm gonna leave a little link here because I hate butchering out people's stuff. So it's a goodie inspired by the iconic Harry Potter soundtrack. So if you'd love to loan out your books, you write your name on the empty spine on Hedwig's book stack to help your friends remember who to return them to. So I'm guessing this is supposed to be a Hedwig, how cute, and you write your name on this part here so people know where to return the books to if you've loaned them out to someone, which I have yet to do. So yeah, I'm not one to like to give people my stuff, but every now and again you kind of have to. So we have a leather envelope here, and it's quite hard. Okay, let's see what this is. Ooh, that's cute. So this says, sing you a song and steal your soul. Victoria Schwab. Sorry, Schwab. Okay, this is cute. Okay, this is, if you like music, this is a really cute, like, plate. What are they called? This is a bookish, no. It's a wooden art print. Okay, that's really cute. So this is what it looks like. This is really cute. There's a lot of this stuff in this box that are actually stuff that I would actually use and take out of the box, which is really cool. So this is designed, I'm going to see who it's designed by. Let me find it. Emily Rudd was inspired by the monsters of Verity duology and our favorite violin playing Sunai when she created this wooden art print. So I've never actually read any of Victoria Schwab's books, so I can't really relate to this. But maybe once I actually eventually get onto that, I might understand what this is about. But at this point in time, I have no idea, unfortunately. So that is that. Okay, so now I think we're going to go into the book. But before that, let me get the stuff from underneath it. Okay, so we have the little thingamajig, which I will go into that once we see the book. And next month's, which I'm not getting, but I'm still going to show you guys. April's theme is full moon magic, and is this one here. And with every April box, we'll include an exclusive jigsaw puzzle illustrated by Alien Art. And I skipped it because it's the same book that's going to be in my March Prelude box. So that's that. So let's get into the book of the month for Prelude. OWLCRATE. I don't know what's going on. I have it right here, so let's open. Now I've had a lot of problems when it comes to OWLCRATE, and because there's always something wrong with the book or it's ruined or something, so I'm gonna just literally go over it and see if there's anything ruined with this. But this one looks actually like a good copy for once, and it's not ripped, so very good. So this is the March book for OWLCRATE. This is The Kingdom of Back, and it's the best-selling author of Legend, which I've never read before, so I can't really say, and it's by Mary Lou. So this is the cover, which is really cute, and it goes with the box so well. It's the same kind of blue, and I'm seeing the same like tree as the wooden as the pin. Let me grab the pin to show you guys. It's so similar, so that's really cute. And at the back it just says, I'm the sister of the other Mozart and her story is mine. I don't really know anything about this book, I'm gonna be very honest with you. No idea whatsoever. It is signed as per usual, which is obviously always a little kind of thing that I like. Born with a gift for music. Nannerl, Mozart has just one wish: to be remembered forever. But even as she delights audiences with her masterful playing, she has little hope she'll ever become the acclaimed composer she longs to be. She is a young woman in the 18th century Europe, and that means composing is forbidden to her. She will perform only until she reaches a marriageable age. Okay, I'm trying to see if there's anything interesting. He has the power to make her wish come true, but his help may cost her everything. In her first work of historical fiction, number one New York Times best-selling author, Mary Lou spins a lush, lyrically told story of music, magic, and unbreakable bond between a brother and sister. this is going to be interesting to read. I've never actually read any historical fiction, so it's kind of cool to have something different other than fantasy to read. So yes, so I'm guessing this is probably the girl, the brother? I don't know. But yeah, okay, so let's see the difference. Obviously, there's always the letter from the author that's in here. And let's see what the actual book looked like originally, because you know how they always have the OWLCRATE. Okay, so OWLCRATE is this one here. The original is this one, which is just looks like a blackish kind of tone. And the actual tree stands out a bit more, I would say. There's not much difference, just a color difference. And these are the books that came out during the same time, so other releases that we were excited. And I think the Midnight Lie, this one here, was, you could actually buy that from Fairyloot if I'm not mistaken, with like a particular design, so that was interesting, but I didn't pick it up. So that is basically OWLCRATE in the box for March. I really hope you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I think I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a lovely day wherever you're in the world, and I'll see you shortly. Bye guys.